Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike, and today we're diving into the world of natural remedies with a superstar ingredient, ginger. Ginger tea is at the top of my list for its health benefits. Made from the ginger root, it's delicious and packed with benefits. Boost your immune system, aid digestion, or simply enjoy a calming cup. Ginger tea is the perfect choice. Stick around to explore why you should incorporate it into your routine. Why is ginger tea a powerhouse for your immune system? It's packed with antioxidants like gingerol, which fights harmful free radicals. Gingerol has antibacterial and antiviral properties, helping ward off colds and flu. So next time you feel a cold coming on, reach for ginger tea. We've all been there, that uncomfortable feeling of indigestion, bloating, maybe even some nausea after a meal. Ginger to the rescue. This incredible root has been used for centuries to ease digestive discomfort, and for good reason. Ginger works its magic by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, which are essential for breaking down food efficiently and keeping things moving smoothly. It's like giving your digestive system a helping hand. And for those times when nausea strikes, whether it's motion sickness, pregnancy-related queasiness, or even nausea associated with chemotherapy, ginger can be a lifesaver. It works by calming the stomach muscles and reducing those feelings of nausea. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on the body, leading to pain and various health problems. The good news is that ginger contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds that can help. Gingerols, those powerful antioxidants we talked about earlier, are also responsible for ginger's anti-inflammatory effects. They work by blocking the production of inflammatory molecules in the body, effectively reducing inflammation and pain. This makes ginger tea a great natural remedy for those who suffer from inflammatory conditions like arthritis. It can also help alleviate muscle soreness and joint pain after a workout, helping your body recover faster. Chapter 4. Can ginger tea support your weight loss goals? If you're trying to manage your weight, ginger tea can be a valuable tool in your arsenal. Now, it's not a magic bullet, but it can definitely work in synergy with a healthy diet and exercise. One way ginger tea may aid in weight management is by potentially boosting metabolism. A slightly faster metabolism means your body burns more calories throughout the day, even at rest. Another way ginger tea can support your efforts is by promoting a feeling of fullness or satiety. Try sipping a cup before meals. It might help you eat less and feel more satisfied, preventing overeating. Chapter 5. Unleash the power of ginger for stress relief. In today's fast-paced world, managing stress is essential for our well-being. Ginger can help here too. Its warm aroma has a calming effect. It's like a warm hug in a mug. Ginger also has stress-busting properties. It helps lower cortisol, the stress hormone. Sipping ginger tea can make you feel calmer and more centered. Chapter 6. Give your skin a healthy glow with ginger. Believe it or not, the benefits of ginger extend beyond your internal health and can actually give your skin a healthy, radiant glow. And it all comes back to those amazing antioxidants. Antioxidants are crucial for protecting your skin from damage caused by free radicals, those unstable molecules that can damage skin cells and accelerate the aging process. Ginger is packed with antioxidants that help fight off these free radicals, potentially improving skin elasticity, reducing the appearance of blemishes, and giving your complexion a more youthful, radiant appearance. Chapter 7. Ginger for a healthy heart and improved circulation. Maintaining good circulation is vital for overall health, especially for your cardiovascular system. And you guessed it, ginger can play a role in keeping your blood flowing smoothly. Ginger has been shown to have vasodilating properties, meaning it can help widen blood vessels, which in turn improves blood flow and circulation throughout the body. Improved circulation not only benefits your heart by easing its workload, but it also helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your cells more efficiently, supporting overall health and vitality. Outro. Embrace the power of ginger tea. Ginger tea isn't just delicious and comforting, it's a natural remedy with many health benefits. Boost your immune system, aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy skin. Incorporate ginger tea into your routine. Find it at grocery stores or brew your own. Add honey or lemon for sweetness. Experience the wellness it brings. Your body will thank you.